Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Technology Sahayak. Today in this video I will show you how to enable developer options in Oppo Mobile. To turn on developer options, we first go to our phone settings. Guys, first I will show you if my developer option is enabled. Developer options on my phone are in additional settings. So, from the phone settings, I am going to additional settings. Guys, you can see that there is no developer option in the additional settings, because the developer option is not enabled in my phone. If your phone has additional settings, you will find the developer option in the additional settings. Many phones have developer options directly in the settings. Again, some phones have developer options inside the Systems option instead of additional settings. Besides, if there is a search bar in the settings, we can easily go to the developer option by writing the developer option of the search bar. However friends, to enable developer options from the phone settings, we will go to About Phone option. From here, we will go to Build Number. Press on 7 times on the build number. Developer option will be enabled. The notification below will show if the developer option is enabled. Again, some phones have version option instead of build number. In that case, press on the version option. However guys, my developer option is enabled. To go to the developer options, we will go to the additional settings of the phone. Guys, you can see developer option is enabled. If we are going to do any work in the setting inside the developer option, then we will press on the developer option. And we can work on the setting by turning on this icon of the developer option. Once developer options are enabled, unless the phone is reset, developer options will always be enabled. Guys, hope you have understood how to enable developer option in Oppo Mobile. Guys, if you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.